So guys, I am at Sholur Ramnagar and there are approximately 50 super bikes that are seized here, and this started at 10:30 and right now the time is about 12:43. So I'm gonna be giving you a detailed vlog. Hi guys and welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be talking to you about something serious. So I'm not gonna give my views or my comments, but I'm gonna be telling you a story which actually happened today. So just in fact today early in the morning, we had a super bike short ride till Hassan. So what happened, we started our journey at 6 and we met at Nalmangla toll. Guys, we are starting a ride and we went approximately 80 kilometers to 100 kilometers in the Hassan highway and stopped. We clicked photos, we did photo session, we talked to each other, and then we started our journey back. But then what happened, after 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, the police had kept a check post over there, over somewhere near this place. So this place they put check post and they stopped each and every bike who looked expensive, people who were geared up, wearing helmets. So they were stopping, and people who actually weren't wearing helmets, so they told us they caught us because of villagers complaining a lot of noise we were making because of our bikes. And your bikes, they started saying your bikes don't have a stock exhaust. These bikes have, aftermarket exhaust. Some bike clearly had aftermarket exhaust, but some bikes didn't. And to be honest guys, there were guys who had KTM RC 390, and there was one guy who had Yamaha R15. They stopped him as well. And these bikes, they were stock, there was no aftermarket exhaust, but they stopped them too. We asked them why us. There was other riders also, but they were having pillion, a female pillion, so they let them go. There were actually guys Audis and other supercars who are actually louder than super bikes, but they just let them pass. I managed to click one video of it, if you can see. So they just let them pass. So it is clearly that they had problems with the bikers. So the supercars were not stopped. Bikers having pillion who were female were not stopped. Bikers who were wearing riding gears, helmet, and were solo, they were stopped. What happened guys, also they started cutting out that receipt, and they initially decided to charge all these bikers for 1000 rupees. They charged like 4 or 5 or 10 maybe bike, but then I think some call came, and after attending that call, the inspector, they told us, now you guys all, because I think it was a big scene, everybody was posting it online or something, I think it became big. So every one of the 50 super bikes were called inside the police station. And what happened next, which I am really I'm actually laughing. Why? Because there were villagers who were holding hands and blocking road and telling us to go directly to the police station. I was glad to see that kind of commitment villagers showing towards helping the police out. To be really honest, this is a sarcastic thing. So I don't know why they did that. If you guys know, you can comment down below. I don't know, but I'm gonna tell the fact, and because I was personally present, so I'm gonna be giving you whatever I have seen. All right, so first hand experience, so I'm gonna be giving you that. So moving on, once this happened, all the super bikes were in police station, and then after like half an hour, so what happened, while some of our people who knew the native language, which is Kannada, they were speaking to the inspector, and the inspector said that now the price is 3000 rupees, and there'll be a challan and everything for that, and the price is 3000 rupees. So I mean, approximately for 50 bikes, you can calculate, right? So this much challan we paid, everybody paid, and this whole thing started since 10 o'clock, maybe a little 5-10 minutes before 10, maybe 9:55 or 9:45, and then it lasted till 1 o'clock, guys. It was like the sun was so hot and we were wearing our riding jackets and everything. It was so uncomfortable and people were like, what the hell, we'll just pay this. And the funny thing I want to tell you guys, one person said, my bike, which is completely brand new, I have no aftermarket exhaust and I have nothing done, not even a paint added or anything done to my bike. It's as stock as it can be. So to that, there was a very brilliant reply by the policeman. It was, you know what, you can do one thing, you can go home. Bangalore was about 120 kilometers from there. You can go home and get the original documents of your bike and then furnish that to the, I don't know who's their head. So they will furnish that to the head. They will show all these real documents or like the real copy of this document, and then they will let us go. So to be honest, guys, if you take a taxi, you go, you do all these things, you have to come back and all, it will obviously take you more time and more money than 3,000. So obviously this was a thing to tell, you have to pay 3,000, right? They technically didn't force us to pay, but I'm not gonna say anything, guys. So guys, you let me know, please comment down below. These comments will really help everybody. I want everybody to read all the comments, and if they like some comment, like that comment, and if they have a good amount of likes, I'll highlight that comment so that people can actually go down to the comments and start reading these comments as well to get a better understanding. Now apparently, what I heard, this is what I heard, and I'm really being honest in this vlog. I don't care, I like honesty, so I'm gonna be really truthful to you guys. So what I heard that there was some issue earlier this morning that some MLA's car or something got hit by a bike, not hit, but it got scratched or something, so the MLA was pissed and then he had asked this is what I've heard, guys. Again, I don't really know, but this is what I've heard. And so this is my take on this. And the worst part, let me just summarize, was, so guys, another great thing is the challan which I have. So these are the three things which was mentioned in this challan. The first one is reckless driving. The second one I can't read. If you guys can read, let me know what that is. The third one is disobedience to police. That was disobedience to police. What disobedience, man? I mean, what disobedience? They made us stand for 4 hours on the highway. What disobedience? What should we do? They told us, we will cut challan right there and then. There were people who were paying money to them. They were cutting receipt, and there was one person, one inspector, 2-star inspector, who was cutting the receipt. Like other 50 bikers were like just standing over there so that their turn comes. And then later they decided, no, what I got to understand, guys, why did they change this is because there was some guy who actually said something that there is no proof or something, or we were not riding fast. They were or maybe shooting video or something which the police inspector didn't like, and then he decided to charge all the other 49 people with disobedience to police. So trust me, guys, there was no disobedience to police. I was there.